Hello and welcome to WebDevMentors YouTube channel, and you're watching Python tutorial series for beginners. So in this video we're going to see about the comments in Python. The reason why I've taken comments early on is that I'm going to use comments in order to explain you various concepts in Python. So it's not going to be the presentation anymore. So we're going to go directly into the programming where I'm going to explain you with the help of the comments itself. So comments is one of the very important components when it comes to any kind of programming. So doesn't matter whether it's Python, doesn't matter whether it's Java or C, C++, C Sharp, PHP, or even HTML. Comments plays a vital role if you are doing some complex stuff or a complex program and you want someone else to understand what you're doing in there, or you want yourself to understand the same concept after a couple of years later or even a couple of months later. So it gets very difficult when it gets too complex and you won't understand it unless you have a comment there. So I'm going to open my Eclipse IDE. So if you don't have Eclipse, then it should be very clear that you have to go back 3 videos in the same playlist, install and set up the Python, and also install and set up the Eclipse IDE with PyDev. Or you can also use PyCharm. It's going to be the same process. So you can see the video in order to install the PyCharm as well. So use one of the IDE and it's very easy for you to grasp it. So I have actually increased the font size in order to make it easy for you to understand it. So I hope everyone can see this without actually zooming in with the video. So I'm going to close it. I'm going to create a new program. Oh, it's a new file. I'm just going to go with comments.py. So you have to save the file as .py, which is the Python extension. So I'm going to finish it and it's going to create my video. So in order to comment in Python, you have to use hash, which is nothing but shift 3 in my keyboard. It is the same for pretty much every keyboard that you can find in computer. So it's going to be shift 3. That's the symbol that you have to use in order to start a comment in Python. So I'm going to say this is the start of the comment section. So this hash will work only for that line, that particular line. So if you're using the hash symbol, and it's going to be available only for that line. When you press enter and come to the next line, this is not going to have the comment section turned on. So you have to use the hash again in order to make it as a comment as well. So I'm just going to print something in here, printing something random. Okay, so again, I'm going to come and write something in the comment section as well. So this comment will not be printed in the output. Well, it's very difficult for you to actually see it because of the color that is used in the Eclipse in order to show the comments. So if you really want to actually see it, you want to actually darken it. So I'm going to actually show you how to do that. Go to the preference and you can see that the colors and fonts are there. So I have actually used this in order to increase the size of the text or the font I'm using in the text editor. So from here, the way to actually change the color of the comments in Python is that go to the PyDev in here, go to editor, and in here the appearance color options, just scroll down to find the comments. So here it is. So change the color of it. I'm going to change it to a little darker in here so that you people can understand the color. Yep. Now I think you can see it. Maybe let me actually change it a little more further. Okay, a little more darker. It's okay. I believe this is going to be completely visible for you people. So I'm going to save it. So this comment will not be printed in the output. So I'm going to print something again. This will be printed. Okay, so that actually adds 2 lines of comments and 2 lines of output code. So this is going to be printed and definitely not the comments as all other programming languages. So I'm going to use the Python run in order to run this. So the output is print something random and this will be printed. So it's from the 3rd line and the 7th line. So the comment section is completely skipped. It will not be printed, but it'll be useful for you to actually understand what's going on. So for example, if I'm actually printing something, I want to know what I'm printing. So printing some value regarding the channel. Sorry about that, just took up something from the suggestions. So I'm going to print the subscribers of channel at the time of making this video is, so it's actually 750 plus. Okay, I'm not sure what is the exact value is. I'm going to save it and I'm going to print it. So you can indeed give the actual value that is going to be printed in here. So you can say like printing the subscribers, the number of subscribers in the channel. So that is going to be printed. Of course, if you're taking this out, it's going to just print out 750 plus. You don't know what is this 750 plus. At that time, when you refer the comments about the code, then you will understand, okay, this value belongs to the channel subscribers, and that's very clear for you. So I'm going to use the semicolon. So from now on, it is very clear that the comment section will be used. This kind of a comment will be used in order to explain what a particular code will do. So we're not going to have very clear presentation to show you what a code will do and what it can do in Python. So that actually ends the program. So it's also the end of the video, and thank you for watching this video. Hope it was useful. Of course, it doesn't have some complex coding, but we've just seen about the comments in Python. So if you find this video useful, please hit the like button and also share it with your friends, and also please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments or suggestions or feedbacks, please feel free to share it, and you can share that in the comment section of this video, in Google Plus page, Facebook page, or Twitter feed. You can also contact me personally through the social links that I provided in the description section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.